Okay, so your journal, where you'll record everything and it goes with you into the science fair, needs to be set up in a certain way. It needs to be a bound notebook. Okay, I think I said spiral before, but find one of those that are bound, like the black and white ones. Like a composition notebook, yes. That's what you want to use. You're going to record everything in your journal, all of your research, all of your books used, any charts, any experimental data, any sketches, anything done to help you learn about your project, you're going to put in your journal. It doesn't have to be complete sentences, but it does need to be neat enough where the judges can read it. And it needs to be in order of how you researched, okay? Okay, written report. There's an entire page on how to set up your written report. And we'll go over this during the spring semester, but make sure you look over it because they're very specific about a title page and what needs to be on that, table of contents, what needs to be on that, introduction, project details paragraph, discussion paragraphs, conclusion, acknowledgments. In this section, they want you to write down everyone who helped you. This might include people who you used for experimental data, or your parents, or your teachers, or maybe you interviewed doctors or whatever. Make sure you list all those people. And you have to have all of your references. So make sure you know who all your references, where they came from, what you used. Record everything, record everything, record everything. So there are details we'll go over later, but you have access to these now. I would get familiar with those.